Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Dialogue. I'm so glad you're here. If you've been following along, you know that in our last episode, we explored the alphabet and basic greetings. Great job keeping up. Today, we're moving forward by learning numbers and days of the week, two essential building blocks for everyday conversations. Are you ready? Let's dive right in. Segment 1, Learning Numbers. Let's start with numbers from 1 to 10. Numbers are everywhere, in time, dates, and even when you're shopping. Learning them will make your English super practical. Here's how it works. I'll say each number and you'll repeat after me. Ready? Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's practice using these numbers in simple sentences. Listen carefully and repeat after me. I have two books. There are 10 apples on the table. She is 15 years old. Now it's your turn. Think of your own sentences using these numbers. Don't rush. Practice makes perfect. Segment 2, numbers, tens and higher. Now let's move on to bigger numbers. These are called the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, all the way to 100. Now let's learn how to say numbers in between the tens like 21, 32, or 45. It's simple once you know the pattern. 21 equals 21, 32 equals 32, 45 equals 45. Let's practice some more. 67, 89, 94. Segment 3, days of the week. Now let's learn the days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. Let's say them together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now let's see how we can use the days of the week in sentences. Listen closely. I go to school on Monday. I visit my friends on Saturday. Sunday is my favorite day of the week. Now it's your turn. Practice saying what you do on each day of the week. For example, on Friday, I watch a movie. Take your time and have fun with it. Segment 4, quick practice exercise. Time for a quick practice exercise. I'll say a number and a day of the week and you'll repeat it back. For example, if I say 5 Wednesday, you'll say 5 Wednesday. Got it? Let's try. 10 Monday. 3 Friday. 20 Sunday. How did you do? Great work. Remember, practicing combinations like these will build your confidence in speaking English. That's it for today's lesson. You're making amazing progress. Next time, we'll learn about colors and common objects, perfect for describing the world around you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let me know in the comments how your practice is going. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next episode.